empowering you to open new paths. Opening paths means overcoming obstacles, finding easier and more prosperous ways to improve your life experiences. First, let's separate your mind from each problem and solution. We'll remove mental distortions that make everything seem dire, dangerous, dramatic, impossible, and beyond your control. Let's erase the mind's tendency to overgeneralize in all aspects of your life. We'll remove the belief that lacking money or having an illness means total failure. We'll erase the idea that one rejection means you'll never be loved again. We're erasing these thoughts completely for all time. We'll also remove absolute words like always and never from your problems, difficulties, and sufferings. Let's strengthen you to remember everything's temporary. Pleasant things are fleeting, and so are unpleasant ones. We'll erase the energy from all the times you've said, thought, or felt that you can't, that you're not progressing, that you don't understand or know, and especially when you've concluded that you're not in control of your life, your experiences, and your time. Let's erase the belief in an external power that controls your fate, writes your story, and keeps you in constant hardship. We'll remove the false idea that your paths are blocked. We'll also clear out exaggeration, magnification, and distortion of these perceived obstacles. We'll erase the overemphasis on each stagnation and limiting belief. We separate your mind from your projects, desires, goals, objectives, and needs, and send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, and space. Dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe, and other unknown realms. Let's strengthen your midline. We erase lower brain weakness and its effects. We clear the disconnect between lower and upper brain. The disconnect with Earth and Earth with you, your disconnect from the universe and it from you. We erase all to zero minus infinity, 100% of finite time. We boost your physical intelligence's link to the universes. Universe to yours, your physical intelligence to Earth's, and Earth's to yours. All from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back and forth, forth and back, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within finite time. We send the mind and spirit to other universes, dimensions, dark matter, black holes, and unknown realms beyond space and time. We'll remove dead energy, spiritual bonds, demons, and curses that have hindered your progress, path, prosperity, and health. We erase all traces, remnants, and impressions of these, including any resistance to their departure or your reluctance to let go. We send it all to other universes, dimensions, dark matter, black holes, and unknown places beyond space and time. We'll erase karma from closing others' paths directly or indirectly, along with all accumulated effects. We eliminate the distorted thinking that makes you feel stuck when you're actually progressing. We also remove what slows you down, hides results, or makes you feel weak in your journey. Let's strengthen your energy to be powerful, to move at, above, and below light speed. We erase all weaknesses it causes you. the fast, the slow to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's strengthen your mind to generate thoughts of progress, achievement, triumph, success, and perseverance. Strong enough to jump, dodge, and overcome both physical and mental obstacles. We'll reinforce your 6 fundamental pillars. Strengthen your relationship with time, your purposeful career, your money and finances, and each of your relationships. Boost your physical fitness and health to 100% with limitless potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll eliminate weaknesses in each pillar, erasing them to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely, balancing these 6 core supports to be centered, stable, and aligned. Will clear blockages and stagnation from your mind and external energies in each core support, both in process and outcome, to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's erase the built-up effect of all the time you've spent thinking, feeling, and saying you can't. You're not progressing, not achieving, not finding, not succeeding, and not being capable. We'll remove the draining energy of others' pressure due to unmet expectations. We'll clear emotions, sensations, and reactions from you and others towards you. We'll erase despair, exhaustion, frustration, anger, and confusion. We'll remove soul pain, soul's plea, and fear of not advancing, progressing, or evolving. Will erase the fear of the future to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Will eliminate non-physical traumas, unconscious loyalties, empathy with pain, suffering, poverty, lack, limitation, and illness. To zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. I'll separate you from the collective that doesn't advance, achieve, or feel capable. I align you with those who have achievements, success, perseverance, discipline, and good habits. Everything is centered, balanced, and stable at 100% with limitless potential. This applies 100% of the time for all eternity. I'll separate each family member's weaknesses, blocks, and negative experiences. We erase this completely, infinitely for all time. I align you with them with you, and them with each other in all ways. Everyone becomes centered, balanced, and stable. We'll strengthen your core, power, endurance, speed, agility, and flexibility. Every particle, atom, and cell releases old grudges, fears, and pains. We strengthen your central nervous system, connecting it to every part of your micro and macro body, and these parts back to your nervous system in all possible combinations. We'll erase negative energies from any dimension, level, or form that are stagnating or blocking you, sending them to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes, and unknown corners of the universe. We'll separate the crown, third eye, throat, heart, solar plexus, sacral, and root chakras. We strengthen these chakras to be optimally open, clean, balanced, centered, stable, unfiltered, free from external influences, and without hidden soul parts. At 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time within finite time. We strengthen your etheric, emotional, mental, astral, ethereal, celestial, and causal bodies. We enhance your physical, mental, and spiritual intelligence. Strong to be same, not same. Change, no change. Different, not different. Perception, not perception. Strength to admit, recognize, and remove blocks, stagnation, and negative energy. Boost your physical intelligence to eliminate all that hinders, limits, delays, or blocks your progress. Let's erase these remnants, traces, and imprints to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen response, action, and outcome. We enhance feeling, perceiving, intuiting for clarity on paths. Strength for this to happen quickly, not quick, slow, not slow, neutral. We erase the cumulative effect of time that's been stagnant and blocked. We strengthen internal, external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices of these geometries 100% of the time with infinite potential. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. All right, how do you feel? Same or different?